Okay, howdy folks. Just wanted to let you in on a little ride on that I picked up here. It's a Toro, I think it's called a Whirlwind, 5-horse, 25-inch cut. I've got the deck off, it was seized up. So I got her free. I don't know how long the bearings will last, but it sounds pretty rough, so I'm not going to try to change it right now. I'm just going to try to get the motor actually up and running, and get it up and running, and you know, see how it goes. I did oil that, so there it is. Small little machine. Yeah, let's just see. It's got a 5-horse power Tecumseh in it. With the little drive case, little chain case. So yeah, it looks alright. You know, needs a bit of work. The motor is a 5-horse, so I've been told. It might not be. I think that's what they look at. Everything's loose. The last people that had it, and I noticed.